Most people don't lack motivation. They lack alignment. They work harder, optimize more, add tools, frameworks, systems. Yet something feels off. Not wrong, just noisy. Ikigai is often misunderstood as a purpose slogan, a feel-good poster on the wall. In reality, Ikigai is a filter, a way to remove friction from decisions. When business feels heavy, it's rarely a strategy problem. It's a clarity problem. Too many open loops. Too many expectations that aren't yours. Business sparring is not about adding answers. It's about removing the wrong questions. When what you're good at, what creates value, what you enjoy, and what sustains you financially start overlapping, decisions get quieter, not easier, cleaner. You stop chasing every opportunity. You stop reacting. You start choosing. That's where momentum comes from, not speed, direction. Clarity doesn't come from thinking harder. It comes from thinking less, but sharper. Ikigai isn't philosophy. It's operational. And once it's clear, business stops feeling like resistance and starts feeling like movement. Did you enjoy this video? If so, please give it a like. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so you won't miss my regular updates.